Hey, what's up, guys? It's Big Stacks. I love Mother Nature, man. And look what Mother Nature's doing right now. Just look. It's damn near a circle. They just happen to grow in a circle. It's amazing. For real. Serious. In a circle. And they huge. I love these things, man. Like, it's damn near a complete circle. Damn near a complete motherfucking circle.
I'm gonna anchor this right here. Okay? This way I need to have two.
I love Mother Nature. That's why I'm so happy about this. I love animals, Mother Nature, all that good crazy stuff, man. It's just amazing. My cab is here. I gotta end this video. Damn. Family. Oh shit, what the fuck?